Right then. Let's deal with this stuff. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Today we're in a Mk3 Skoda Octavia from 2020 and we're installing sill guards. Their job is to guard the sills, which makes sense. Generally speaking, a sill guard sits about here on the metal to protect it when you get in and out, and to that end this set contains two long sill guards, one for each side of the front of the car, as well as two short ones, one for each side of the back. However, we're going to use that entire set just on the right side of the car, because then we could protect these plastic areas as well, because they are vulnerable too. A sill guard sticks to the car via tape on the back here, which we access by removing this red strip. But to stick properly to the car has to be clean. And to do that, we're going to use this special new invention. It's called water. There it is. See it? Remarkable. So let's give the area a quick clean. Starting with the metal. There we go. And of course, while we're here, we'll give the plastic a good go as well. That looks fine to me. And just for luck, let's dry it as well, for which we have a different cloth, a green one no less. Which reminds me of the Incredible Hulk. Okay, good. I tell you what, as the door's going to be open for a while, let's turn off the internal dome lights in here to be kind to the battery. There we go. And that should have turned off the back lights as well, which it has. And that's a good idea, because I've got enough cars with flat batteries. Two of them are over there. So we now need to peel off this red strip to reveal the sticky tape underneath. And sometimes these things come off easily, and sometimes they're a monumental pain in the neck. How's our luck? Come on now. Oh, it's coming. We got away with it. It's coming off easily. She says, oh, it's in pieces. Well, that's annoying. Come on now. Can we get 2 for 2? Oh, my eyesight is not as good as it was, which is frustrating. Oh, this was coming off easily as well. There we go. And now we've only got one chance of this to position it properly. Oops. The wind's blowing it around, that's not helping. And we are going to put it there. Something like that. What do you reckon? Does that look about right? Because once we push it down and it's stuck, it's never coming off again. It'll be there for the life of the vehicle, which will hopefully be a very long time, because I'd like to keep this car for as long as possible. Not bad. We have a problem. Having watched me install one sill guard, I'm concerned that you'd be overwhelmed with excitement to watch me do the other 3. So I'll do these off camera and get back to you in 8 minutes and 12 seconds. We're done, so let's have a look at the finished result, starting of course with the driver's side, and there we go. One rubber sill guard on the metal, nicely stuck down, and another one here on the plastic, that's nicely stuck down as well. And it's a similar story over here on the right offside. See that? Not bad, eh? And by an amazing stroke of luck, I found an identical set of sill guards which have been fitted to the left of the car. That's fortunate. In other news, the postman just turned up and delivered a letter that isn't for me or for anyone else that lives at this address. That's useful. Anyway, I'm going to tidy up these red strips now, and that gives you a chance to subscribe to Car Spy TV, to have your say in the comment section of this video, and if you could click like on this video as well, that would be fantastic. And as always, you're also welcome to visit carspytv.com, where you can... Where's it gone? Oh yes, you can treat yourself to a mug like that or something else if you feel so inclined. Right, that's it, we're done. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.